Hi friends, Cole here. Greetings, and I hope this finds you well. I know that these are incredibly uncertain and confusing days for all of us. And just wanted to offer a little bit of some additional support along with YOGATX. So we've been talking, and in addition to the Tuesday videos that always come out, we wanted to do some special classes for these special times. So I'm going to be teaching some meditation, some yoga asana to help move the energy in the body and to help calm the nervous system, calm the mind, get back to center so we can stay lucid, we can stay in love, and stay in compassion as we all collectively get through this. So stay tuned. We'll have a schedule out for you soon, and I will see you shortly on your mat. Yeah. Ciao.